Yaga yaga yo, this is Anthony B and I want to invite all my families, my fans and friends. February 25th, 2023, Club AMAZURA, Queens, New York. It's a concert, Black and Proud. I'm gonna shout it loud. And remember, it's Black History Month. So go and get your ticket at Black and Proud Concert.eventbrite.com. Remember, Anthony B, Turbulence, get him on the perfect in the house. Real Mackay, the whole family. Yes. Alright. Massive B, music by Massive B, Mountain Lion, Club AMAZURA, New York, 25th of February 2023. Dear Fire, Loud and Proud. Many more guests and special guest artists will be announced. Blaze it, it's a bonfire Reggae Vibes production. Boom, go get your ticket now.
Everybody wanna plan the car. Everybody wanna rave.